Conversation 1. Casual introduction at a party. Hi there, I'm Alex. Nice to meet you.
Hey, Alex. I'm Sarah. Likewise. So, what do you do?
I work in marketing. How about you?
I'm a teacher. Marketing sounds interesting. What exactly do you do in your job?
It involves a lot of digital campaigns and analytics. Keeps me busy.
That does sound busy. So, Alex, are you from around here?
Yeah, I've been living in this city for about 5 years now. Originally, I'm from a small town upstate. What about you, Sarah?
Oh, I'm a local. Born and raised here. It's always interesting to meet people from different places. How are you finding the city life compared to your hometown?
It's definitely a big change, but I enjoy the fast-paced environment and the endless opportunities here. How about you, Sarah? Do you like living here?
I do, for the most part. It's vibrant and there's always something going on. Plus, the food scene is fantastic. Have you had a chance to explore many restaurants around here?
Some? Yeah. There are so many, it's hard to keep up. But it's always fun trying new places. Do you have any favorite spots?
Oh, definitely. There's this little Italian place downtown that's amazing. I'm always recommending it to friends. If you're into Italian food, I can give you the name.
That sounds great. Thanks. I'll have to check it out sometime. So, Sarah, do you have any hobbies or interests outside of teaching?
Yeah, I love hiking and camping. Whenever I can, I try to get out of the city and into nature. It's a nice contrast to the hustle and bustle here. What about you, Alex? Any hobbies you're passionate about?
I'm actually really into photography. I love capturing moments and exploring different perspectives through the lens. It's a creative outlet for me. Maybe I'll show you some of my work sometime.
That sounds fantastic. I'd love to see your photos. Well, Alex, it's been really nice chatting with you. I should probably circulate and mingle a bit more. But let's definitely keep in touch.
Absolutely, Sarah. It's been a pleasure meeting you. Enjoy the rest of the party. Conversation 2. Professional networking event.
Good evening, I'm Emily. Pleasure to meet you.
Hi, Emily. I'm John. Likewise. What brings you to this event?
I'm here to expand my professional network. I work in finance. How about you?
I'm in IT consulting. Always great to meet someone from a different industry. What do you specialize in within finance?
Mainly risk management and investments. How about yourself?
That's interesting. Risk management is crucial in finance. In IT consulting, I specialize in cybersecurity and data analytics. It's a field that's constantly evolving, especially with the rise in cyber threats. Have you found your work in risk management challenging with the changing landscape?
Absolutely, especially with the recent economic uncertainties. It's a constant balancing act between mitigating risks and maximizing returns for our clients. How do you find navigating the ever-changing landscape of IT consulting?
It can definitely be challenging, but it's also exciting. With new technologies emerging all the time, there's always something new to learn and explore. Plus, helping businesses secure their data and optimize their operations is incredibly rewarding. Do you work for a specific firm, or are you independent?
I'm currently with a multinational firm specializing in financial consulting services. We work closely with clients across various industries to assess and manage their risks effectively. How about you, John? Do you work for a specific company or are you independent?
I'm with a medium-sized IT consulting firm based here in the city. We provide tailored solutions to businesses ranging from small startups to large corporations. It's a dynamic environment with a lot of opportunities for growth. Have you been with your firm for long?
I've been with them for about 5 years now. It's been a great experience so far, but I'm always open to new opportunities and challenges. Networking events like these are a great way to explore potential collaborations or career advancements. How about you, John? How long have you been with your current firm?
I've been with them for about 3 years now. Like you said, networking events like this one are invaluable for making connections and exploring new possibilities. Well, Emily, it's been a pleasure chatting with you. I'll be sure to keep you in mind if any opportunities arise in your field.
Likewise, John. Let's exchange contact information before we part ways. Who knows? We might be able to collaborate on a project in the future. Thank you for the insightful conversation.
Conversation 3. Job interview. Good morning, David. Thank you for having me.
Good morning, David. I'm Miss Thompson, the hiring manager. Tell me about yourself.
Certainly. I have a background in sales and marketing with a focus on digital strategies.
That sounds relevant to the position. Can you elaborate on your experience in digital marketing?
Of course. In my previous role, I managed social media campaigns and SEO optimization for a tech startup.
That's impressive. Digital marketing skills are highly valued in today's market. Can you tell me about a specific campaign you worked on that you're particularly proud of?
Certainly. One campaign that stands out is when we launched a new product line targeting a younger demographic. We utilized a combination of targeted social media ads, influencer partnerships, and engaging content to generate buzz and drive sales. It was rewarding to see the positive impact our strategies had on the company's bottom line.
It sounds like you're adept at leveraging various digital channels effectively. How do you stay updated with the latest trends and developments in digital marketing?
I'm a firm believer in continuous learning. I make it a priority to stay updated with industry blogs, attend webinars, and participate in relevant courses and workshops. Additionally, networking with other professionals in the field helps me gain insights into emerging trends and best practices.
That's commendable. Adaptability is key in such a dynamic field. Can you give me an example of a time when you had to adapt to a sudden change or challenge in a campaign?
Certainly. There was a situation where a social media platform unexpectedly changed its algorithm, affecting the reach of our ads. Instead of panicking, we quickly reassessed our strategy, experimented with different ad formats, and optimized our targeting to mitigate the impact. As a result, we were able to maintain engagement levels and achieve our campaign objectives.
That demonstrates your ability to think on your feet and find creative solutions to challenges. How do you approach collaborating with other departments or team members in your marketing efforts?
Collaboration is essential for successful marketing campaigns. I strive to foster open communication and strong relationships with cross-functional teams such as sales, product development, and customer service. By understanding their goals and aligning our strategies, we can create cohesive campaigns that resonate with our target audience and drive results.
That's great to hear. Teamwork is crucial in a corporate environment. Well, David, it's been insightful hearing about your experiences and approach to digital marketing. Do you have any questions for me about the position or the company?
Yes, Mrs. Thompson. I'm curious about the company's long-term vision for its digital marketing efforts and how this role fits into that strategy.
That's an excellent question. Our company is committed to leveraging digital channels to enhance brand visibility, engage with customers, and drive growth. The role you're interviewing for will play a pivotal role in executing our digital marketing initiatives and contributing to our overall success. Thank you for asking. We'll be in touch regarding the next steps in the hiring process.
Thank you, Mrs. Thompson. I appreciate the opportunity to interview with your company. I look forward to the possibility of joining your team.